Today I'm reviewing another body cream that you need, especially if you have dry skin. So pardon me if you hear any. My baby girl's here. Yeah, last time I talked about the Mixa Cica repair cream. Today I'm gonna be talking about the Topicrem Ultra Hydration Body Milk, and why this one is different from this one, the Mixa Cica repair cream I reviewed in my previous video. I'm gonna be leaving the video here so you can know the one that is suitable for your skin. Welcome to the channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Please do to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications so you get notified every time I upload a new video here. First off, the Topicrem Ultra Hydration Body Milk has a lighter texture compared to the Mixa one. If you're someone who prefers something lightweight, fast absorbing, this one is definitely for you. It's more of an everyday moisturizer that feels silky on the skin and doesn't leave behind any greasiness. It's rich with glycerin, which is amazing for locking in moisture, but it's gentle enough for the whole family, safe for babies and kids. This is actually my kids cream. This is what I use for my kids. I also use it on myself. It's safe for babies, which makes it a great choice, especially if you're looking for one product for the whole family. I've been using this for a couple of months now, but I mostly use this for my kids. Like I said, this is that one product for the whole house because of how gentle it is. The texture is so silky and it keeps your skin hydrated for up to 48 hours. This is my go-to when I want something lighter for daily use. It also has the eco recharge one, but when you run out of this one, you keep using your favorite moisturizer. Honestly, I love this product for my baby girl because this just keeps her skin soft and nourished. One tips: have fun helpful to apply this right after you shower when your skin is still slightly damp. It really helps you in that moisture and keep your skin hydrated all day long. And I also like to layer with oils if I want an extra boost for hydration. So to sum it up, if you're looking for lightweight, family friendly moisturizer that hydrates without feeling heavy, the Topicrem Ultra Hydration is a fantastic option. While the Mixa Cica repair cream is more targeted for dry, damaged skin, this one is perfect for everyday hydration. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section which body cream works best for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.